We had mentioned earlier that there's also other ways to transfer files over to your server, and Git is one of the ways. So most popular is GitHub as well as Bitbucket. So essentially do the same thing where they give you the ability to collaborate and share files between different developers, set up environments, and deploy files to the cloud. So here we've got an image. So if this was your server, this is Git. The content Bitbucket is up here in the cloud, and then this is your server. So you can transfer files back and forth between the three, uploading them to Git, pulling them down from Git, and as well if you've got multiple users that are looking to work on the same repositories, you've got the ability to work together and pull and push requests between friends and different computers. So this is an illustration here, and what they do over here as well, they've got the ability to fork repositories, and repositories are code collections on GitHub that you can upload and download. So these you can actually access other people's repositories and pull them down as well. So here we've got ability to look at some of the more popular repositories, and a lot of them you've probably seen or heard of before. So a lot of these trending ones, you can sort them by different languages and so on. So sometimes there are entire web applications that you could simply download and upload on your own machine and work with. Sometimes that there are libraries, plugins, and so on. So there's quite a bit of stuff here on GitHub. And the difference really between GitHub and Bitbucket is that Bitbucket allows you to set up private repositories and share up to 5 people, whereas and doing that for free, and also you're able to get unlimited private and public repositories with Bitbucket. So you can share these private runs between 5 people, and on GitHub, unless you're paying for the upgraded version, this is all going to be public. So if you do want to create a private repository, you do have to upgrade, or if you do have to go over to Bitbucket. Git itself has its own set of commands that you would be typing in the console to initiate the commands. So to initiate the pulling and the pushing and the comparison of the code, and then creating branches and so on. So there's quite a bit you can do here with Git, and oftentimes it's, unless you're working on a really big project where you're collaborating, you might not need to use Git, but it's a good thing to know that it's there if you are working on big projects, and if you've got multiple developers working on those projects or working on one big website, multiple developers, you might want to consider using GitHub as a way for version control and file sharing.